Good day, everybody. This is my trailer that I built 2 years ago, and today I'm going to discuss a smoking diesel heater and how to remedy it and what the problem could be. Let me get set up. So looking underneath my camper is my air intake here, along with the fuel coming from the front box. But what you got to do is have one of these. It's like an air pump you would use to blow up a inner tube or mattress. Have that, or even a hair dryer. Hair dryer just blowing cold air. That should work too. But the problem is when a diesel heater smokes, which it's getting fired up right now. I'm waiting for the pump here to start clicking, but when it starts smoking, it means it's lacking oxygen. So let me wait for it to start clicking, and we'll set up here. All right, you can hear it clicking, starting to smoke a little bit. Turn the unit on. Sorry about the noise. Look how it's just pouring the fluid out of there. Unbelievable. Shut this off and I'll come back to you. Plenty of warm air is coming out. Plenty of warm air. Let me show you outside. So you can see all the fuel laying down there in the ground. It's still smoking a little bit about 7 minutes later, but anyhow, this is my website. Go in there, check it out. You'll see the build of this beautiful rig. Over for now.